Caloocan, ayan, we are going to bring the suburban and elevated condo living na gusto or mga ino-offer natin sa mga client natin. Ayan, so, ayan, to give you an idea lang po about Caloocan. So, I know some of you, pag Caloocan City, LRT1, si Balintawak, si ano yan, sila Monumento. So, ayan po, si Caloocan po is divided into two geographical location. So, meron po tayong South Caloocan, which is andun po sila Monumento, yung katabi po ng Valenzuela. And then, si North Caloocan. Si North Caloocan po, ito po yung biggest part of Caloocan City. Tsaka, ito po yung malapit po sa Bulacan. Ayan po. So, ito po tayo, located tayo sa taas. Ayan. So, for Caloocan City po, we are recognized po as one of the first class urbanized city and as well business friendly. So, for ano po dito, for our clients po na may business or gusto mag-business, ayan, mabilis lang po tayo makakuha po ng mga necessary documents to start your business po. So, kumbaga, here po ay Caloocan, kaya din po siya naging business friendly. That is because we have a lot of booming industries po dito. And as well, we are the gateway of the North Metro Manila since bordered nga po tayo ng other provinces or municipalities of Bulacan. And we are the emerging growth. That is because we've had a lot of developments po in our area. Ayan, next pa. Ayan, so, ayan, I'll give 3 reasons why lang din po kung bakit maganda mag-invest sa North Caloocan. So, first po dyan is the emerging growth of North Metro Manila. That is because yung mga infrastructures natin. So, as of kanina, kung tumaan po kayo ng SM for review, yung gilid po nun, yung MRT, yung station ng MRT 7, Mindanao Ave. So, kumbaga, hindi po yung station and then connected pa sa mall. And we are just only 10 minutes away lang po from that station. And soon, ayun po, ito po si MRT Line 11. Si MRT Line 11, if dito naman po kayong way sa kabila dumaan, doon po siya magkakaroon ng train station. So that would be around roughly 3 to 5 minutes away po from our project. So kung baga yung mga infrastructures natin here po in South, sinasabi nila ang most of our infrastructures is nasa South. Hindi naman din pala pag-iiwanan ang North. That is because marami naman din po mga nakalatag na infrastructure